Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect LendingTree to compare insurance quotes effectively, full guide step by step clearly. To connect LendingTree and compare insurance quotes effectively, start by visiting the LendingTree website. On the home page, locate the section dedicated to insurance. Select the type of insurance you wish to compare, such as auto, home, or health insurance. Click on the relevant option to proceed. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. If creating a new account, provide your email address and create a secure password. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your email if required. Once logged in, navigate to the Insurance Comparison section. Fill out the necessary information in the online form, including your personal details and insurance preferences. Be as accurate as possible to receive the most relevant quotes. After completing the form, submit your information. LendingTree will process your request and connect you with various insurance providers. Review the quotes presented to you based on your input. Take note of key factors such as coverage limits, premiums, and deductibles. Compare the benefits and drawbacks of each quote side by side. If necessary, refine your search by adjusting your preferences or details. You can select quotes that interest you to delve deeper into policy specifics. Once you've found an appealing quote, follow the instructions to initiate the purchase process with the insurance provider. Ensure you read all terms and conditions before finalizing your choice. After you complete your selection, confirm your coverage and payment details. Keep records of your chosen policy for future reference. By following these steps, you can effectively connect LendingTree and compare insurance quotes to find the. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.